Hello, and in this video I'll quickly show you how I go about creating my version of a pipe in Fusion 360. To begin with, you're going to want to create a sketch, and then on that sketch I would create a circle. You can make this circle whatever size you want to be, and then we're going to be using the offset tool. We can access this by pressing O as the quick shortcut. Then selecting that, you can use the offset of whatever size you want. Once again, I'm going to make it 3mm. And then what I'm going to do is finish that sketch. This is going to be the profile that we use. And now I'm going to start another sketch perpendicular to the one that we just created. And what we can do is we can just create a line that runs completely straight. Now we can open up the create menu and find the sweep command. And the way this works is we're just going to select the outside of this pipe so that the pipe is actually hollow. And then the path button on the right side of the screen, you'll see here, we can then click on that and we have our pipe. Now we could just do that with the extrude tool, and that's why I want to show you the way of creating a 3D pipe. And the way I'd go about doing this is, once again, just start a sketch on the perpendicular plane, and on the right side here we have the 3D sketch button. We want to make sure that this is toggled on, and that means that we can then start creating sketches on different planes. So you'll see, once I've opened up the line tool, we have a bunch of different planes that we can click on and choose to draw on. So in this case, I'm just going to select that one, and then I'm going to draw, and then I can set this whatever distance that I believe works. And then I can select my next point, choose a different angle or plane, and we can just rinse and repeat this process over and over again. And as you'll see, once I spin around and orbit this model, I've got a 3D line. It's no longer just constrained to this plane you see. And before I go and do the sweep command, I would recommend using the fillet command and just run in between each of the corners. This way the output will be a lot smoother and a lot more pipe-like. And of course, once you have all of these in place, feel free to change the figures to match however you like. And lastly, as I mentioned before, we're going to finish up the sketch, come into create, select sweep, I'm going to select the outer profile, and then using this path button on the right hand side, select my path and press OK. And just like that, I've created a pipe. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for watching.